Hey guys, I want to do a quick video because a couple of people have been asking me questions about some of the accessories that they're seeing now on Amazon and other platforms for the Avata 360. One of the things that you're going to have to consider if you're using or thinking about getting some type of landing gear is that the landing gear will not exceed beyond a certain point on the drone so that it won't be visible in some situations. So I think a great measurement or metric is to take in consideration the size of the gimbal. So if the camera module, as you guys can see here, let's get a little bit closer to that so you guys can see it. Hopefully you can see that well enough. So basically what you're looking at here, guys, is the depth of the camera module itself. What you want to make sure of is that whatever you have does not extend beyond a certain point. Now, I have seen some landing gear that just clip on, and as you guys can see here, these are two different sizes. So it's going to clip on here and also onto these little arms here. And I think for the most part, they can just pretty much live on the drone. And then once you land or set it down, you won't have to continually remove them. I have ordered them just so I could have a set of those. And also, we talked about the guards for the ducks. Now, you guys have seen guards that I've had on my Avata 2 and something similar on my Neo 2. Yes, I will be upgrading to some type of duck protection just so we can keep the drone pristine. But for the most part, I don't foresee that being a problem with flight or any of the aerodynamic characteristics of the drone. So again, I just want to do a quick video to answer the question that was proposed to me last night. I do think it's okay to take a look at those different accessories. Of course, test more to make sure that everything is safe. It's not going to interfere with any flight. They're not going to pop off, because you are really out there just ripping with this thing. But for the most part, other accessories that I've used with different drones, I've had no problems with them. And I have flown those drones at their maximum speeds with no issues. But again, like in all things, we don't know what we're going to get or how this drone is going to react until we actually have those accessories on it. So anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and do this quick video answering that question so that you can look back at this at some point and say, okay, that makes sense, or maybe I want to try those, or no, I'm just going to pass on those, or wait for someone like myself and others to actually get those accessories in and do some test flights. So there you have it. All right, guys, I've been your buddy Rome with Rome No Second. I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.